Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. Folks, in this video, we're going to be exploring Sologenic and Corium. And the idea for this video came after XRP's victory when the SEC dropped the case against Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson. So, obviously, you guys knew about that news, and it was a breaking news, everyone was covering it. So, anyways, I didn't want to cover that and go into something that everyone has covered. I planned on covering something that is associated with XRP basically. So, I went on ahead and made this video about. I started making this video about Sologenic and Corium, so make sure to stay tuned and watch till the end. And guys, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins. You guys can see this rough map over here and get an idea of what we usually discuss. We also discuss other gems as well. So if you're interested in any of them, then subscribe as well, guys. So guys, let us check this news. The US Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) announced its intention to dismiss all claims against Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Executive Chair Chris Larson on October 19. The event marked a significant legal win for Ripple in the civil case filed by the SEC in the late 2020. So congratulations to the XRP community. This is a good news, not for the XRP community only, but for crypto in general, because SEC has been behind the tail of crypto for a long time. Anyways, guys, let us check out Sologenic, what Sologenic is, what Corium is. This is Corium. This is Solo. So let us first of all check out the price. The max supply is 400 million. Solo 99.99% is in the circulation. Yes, it is 400 million, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 400 million. Market cap is around $39 million at the moment. At the time of the recording, one Solo is priced at around $0.09984. It performed well with the news of XRP. Check this out. 7-day chart. It has done good. Check it out. So yes, this is Corium. Corium is priced at around $0.075699 at the time of this recording, with a max supply of 500 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 500 million. This is the chart, although it is extremely down, touching all-time lows. In my opinion, guys, main primary the utility was concerning Sologenic. It was tokenizing stocks, ETFs, etc. And Corium was built as a layer 1 blockchain to optimize that initial idea of Sologenic, guys. It is even trying to break out from this resistance at the time of this recording even. So let us see where this goes. Anyways, many people were saying Corium is there to basically replace Solo, but in my opinion this wasn't the case. In my opinion, Solo is the coin that if that has that wants to tokenize stocks, ETFs, etc. Corium was basically optimizing that idea. It is obviously a layer 1 with smart contract capability. Many people were also discouraged that Solo was not opting for XRPL, but they needed something for smart contracts as well. So that's why they needed to build a layer 1 blockchain, and they did that in the form of Corium. So this is the relation between Corium and Solo. Solo being an idea or a dApp that aimed to tokenize stocks, and Corium became this layer 1 to basically bring that idea to light by basically having their own ecosystem. This is also built by the Sologenic development team, Corium as well. So this is an ecosystem connecting one another. It is basically interconnecting one another. This is not basically these are not competing with each other. In simple terms, I won't confuse you further. So let us begin. Let us check out the website of Sologenic and Corium. Advanced tokenization solutions for institutions, DApps, streamlining finance, Fire enterprise custodians. Check this out: Fireblocks, Copper.co. Unlock the potential of digital assets with tokenization. Elevate your business with the premier asset tokenization suite developed for the global financial market on one of the fastest blockchain networks, purpose built for banks, brokerage houses, investment firms, and exchanges. Manage liquidity across all markets effortlessly. Expedite trades using the power of blockchain for swift settlement. Access a wide range of assets such as stocks, ETFs, sorry, shares, and real estate. Facilitate fractional trading, enhancing affordability and market accessibility. Launch funding rounds for businesses of all sizes using blockchain technology. Maintain control of asset custodianship or reduce risk and liabilities by enabling users to withdraw tokenized assets. CBDC tool, custom built tokenization, and an innovative solution compatible with any existing central bank digital currency sandbox, tailored to meet the unique needs of financial institutions, bankers, and governments. This tool offers unparalleled control over digital assets. So they've got this CBDC tool as well, a custom built tokenization tool. Check this out. It is tailored to meet the unique needs of financial institutions, bankers, and governments. This tool offers unparalleled control over digital assets. Custom built tokenization, create and manage unique digital assets. Seamless integration, easily incorporate into any existing CBDC sandbox. Decentralized architecture, promote transparency and trust. Scalability, handle high volumes of transactions reliably. Full customization, tailor the tool to fit specific institutional needs. Yeah, learn more, powered by the XRP ledger networks. Censorship resistant transaction processing, fast and efficient consensus algorithm with transaction settling in 4 to 5 seconds. On ledger decentralized exchange for maximum transparency. Advanced cryptography ensures superior security. So I found this thread as well. I'm going to show you guys, but I'm going to show you first the Solonex page as well. Tokenization brokerage solution. Solonex is the most secure and scalable asset tokenization solution designed for financial markets on one of the fastest blockchain networks. Solonex capabilities: tokenize multiple assets, tokenize different asset classes such as stock, ETFs, shares, and real estate on XRP ledger networks, fractional trading, launch funding rounds, 24/7 trading, manage custodial service, managed liquidity, built for financial institutions using XRP ledger networks. Yeah, CBDC custom built. Let us check the DEX as well. Sologenic DEX. Be in control. One-stop DEX for seamless digital asset management and trading. This is going to be compliant in my opinion as well, regulatory compliant for dealing with various digital assets. 200 million monthly trading volume on the XRPL, 400k plus users, 100 plus tokens listed, 140,000 plus NFTs minted, the leading ecosystem built on the XRPL. DEX unlock the power of decentralized trading, low fees, fast transactions, and complete control over your assets. NFT marketplace, a utility-driven marketplace focused on creator tools, mint and trade NFTs with low gas fees and no commissions. IDO Launchpad, tap into the future of token economy, a powerful tool for startups to raise capital through initial DEX offerings. Get started with crypto, remain trading in a decentralized ecosystem while having access to fiat ramps from trusted industry partners. XRPL Automated Market Maker, track the Solo, Corium, Casino Coin. Yes, this is the thread I was talking about. No, this is not the thread. I think I had it bookmarked somewhere. Let me show you guys. Yeah, this is the thread I was talking about. Yeah, Queen, being a solo investor is not enough anymore. It's time to invest with Solo and expand your portfolio infinitely. But what is Solo and what does it do? How is it related to Ripple? All things Sologenic in one thread. Let's dive. Sologenic is a sophisticated ecosystem that facilitates users with investing, trading, and on demand tokenization of assets such as stocks, ETFs, and fiat on top of the XRP ledger. Solo is the token for Sologenic ecosystem. It is a utility token designed for market making and provides liquidity. Solo coins are issued on the XRP ledger network, allowing liquidity to be moved almost instantly. Solo and XRP thus create a dynamic bridge between crypto assets and non-blockchain based assets. In fact, Solo gives access to over 40,000 different securities that are available for trading right now through Sologenic. The key drivers of Sologenic network are on-demand tokenization, trade non-blockchain assets on a secure blockchain, cryptocurrency cards, staking rewards. Solo tokenomics, 400 million tokens were initially distributed. The distribution was as follows: team 35% with a lockup of 3 years, a VIP pre-sale 5%, public sale IEO 10%, solo liquidity and operations 15%. Sologenic is currently number 225 on CoinMarketCap. I do not know what is the rank right now. It has a market cap of only approximately, I think this is a bit old, so it has updated. They also have a beautiful website, no doubt. It is a great website. Here's the technical part of Solo. Yeah, this is what I wanted to show you guys. Sologenic works on their proof of solvency mechanism. The proof of solvency mechanism provides a way for anyone to audit the reserves of Sologenic and confirm the value of their underlying assets. Guys, tokenization has become a new fancy term, terms for. There are a lot of scams going on around RWA narrative and tokenization. Now, what makes Solo different? It is this, that by proving the solvency of the digital asset holding on this blockchain, investors can rest assured their deposits are safe on the Sologenic network. This is not always the same on stock platforms or crypto exchanges where there is no proof of your assets existing at all. This transparency provides a level of risk management functionality that many blockchains don't. Cashback credit cards have provided tremendous growth to credit card providers, including in the crypto space with Binance and other exchanges. Sologenic hopes to bring more crypto cards to the world. Solo also has the Sologenic DEX. Like the rest of Sologenic, the DEX is built on top of the XRP ledger. Their NFT platform also ensures little to no fees at all. They have pretty neat looking projects on there. Is also addressing institutions to adopt cryptocurrency with their SoloNext solution. SoloNext is developed specifically for financial institutions, banks, brokerage houses, investment firms, and exchanges to provide blockchain improved services to them directly. So this is Solo. It has tremendous potential. It is great. Now, to have their own smart contracts, they had to build a layer 1 as well, and they did. Corium is that layer 1. So it is basically enhancing and coordinating with Solo. It is not competing, in my opinion. They're part of the same ecosystem. They're going to be growing together. Enterprise grade blockchain, modular, fast, secure, and interoperable. But in my opinion, Solo is the one, the coin. I'm tempted to it a bit more, to be very honest, because I think Corium is going to be that a layer where dApps are built and that sort of things happens. But obviously, it's a layer 1 blockchain, so it can grow tremendously, guys. Because check this out, Corium is the first EGB, a new generation of blockchains that is geared towards enterprise needs in compliance with ISO 20022. Launch DeFi applications and protocols for businesses of any size. Meet Corium. Smart tokens. Token issuance just got a lot more powerful. Tackle the next generation of blockchain based assets, supercharged with smart contracts. The Corium ecosystem is growing. Hobby, Stake Labs, Harvest, Bitrue, Hashquark. So, yeah, validators, projects. Build on the fastest layer 1, 7,000 transactions per second, 32 validators. with the ability to process 7,000 federated group of 32 rotating validators. Corium is the fastest blockchain in the world. I doubt that, but okay. Every site claims that, every layer 1 claims that. Anyways, open source developers incentivization, scale with no limits using the well-established Tendermint consensus engine and Cosmos SDK. Corium brings a low latency proof of stake blockchain, more powerful, more efficient than proof of work. Smart contracts. Applications can be written in many languages and compiled into the modern Turing complete WebAssembly (WASM) before processing. Cosm WASM, a multi-chain solution to build and run contracts on the whole Cosmos ecosystem. A multi-chain future. With hundreds of blockchains currently being used, Corium deploys a bridge functionality to interoperate with various chains through collateralized wrapping, BPOS mechanism, consensus mechanism, 99% lower carbon footprint. Corium is the home of all the open source developers, token holders, validators, and members supporting the protocol. With on-chain governance, with the Corium community can decide on protocol changes and define the blockchain's future. Open source developers incentivization. Okay, connect to the Corium mainnet. Amidst mainnet launch, these wallets will be supporting Corium, providing access to different decentralized applications and DeFi capabilities. So yes, what is Corium? This is another piece. Soulbound and some examples of programmable tokens are Soulbound NFs, records and credentials, tokenized securities, programmable money. Corium uses a bonded proof of stake consensus mechanism. Yeah, smart tokens. What's next for Corium? For the time being, the Corium roadmap focuses on interoperability and building out its ecosystem with the implementation of the aforementioned inter-blockchain communication protocol to avoid communication between it and other Cosmos-based networks, as well as a decentralized exchange. It is focusing on interoperability as well. Sologenic co-founder says XRP to benefit from Corium smart contract capabilities. So yeah, they're basically coordinating with XRP as well, the XRP ledger as well. This is basically a part of one grand scheme, basically. Even Solo, Coreum, XRPL. It is notable to mention that the XRPL Corium interoperability enables XRP, Solo, and eventually other XRPL tokens to access the Corium blockchain, unlocking the limitless potential for innovative use cases by utilizing Corium smart token technology. Corium Layer 1 launches with new smart token technology to unlock potential of DeFi. Smart tokens tokens are natively used tokens on the Corium chain and which are wrapped around smart contracts. They are highly customizable and are designed to be lightweight and flexible while remaining extendable, truly plug and play. These tokens are faster, more secure, and more reliable compared to smart contracts. ISO 20022 compliance, a single standardization approach, methodology, process repository used by all financial standards initiatives, so it is ISO 20022 compliant. Inter-blockchain communication interoperability, a protocol for interoperability between different ledgers where all blockchains connect to and communicate with each other via the IBC. The release of the Corium blockchain represents the last step of what has been a well-staged development plan with its origin based on the Sologenic tokenization technology. Sologenic has allowed investors to trade stocks, ETFs, and other assets while being built on the XRP ledger. Sologenic will integrate with the Corium network so users can hold and trade fungible and non-fungible assets on both Corium and XRP ledgers. Guys, they are basically enhancing each other's experience, guys, so they're not competing. So there are many questions that people come up with, that what is the difference between Sologenic and Corium. So these are frequently asked questions. Is Sologenic leaving the XRP ledger? Sologenic and Solo will continue to live and operate on the XRP network. Some of Sologenic's use cases within the DeFi field in the future will require smart contracts. Therefore, Sologenic token must be interoperable with other blockchains such as Corium. Is the team ditching Sologenic for Corium? Absolutely not. The Sologenic Development Foundation has decided to build a whole new Layer 1 blockchain with a lot of capabilities for the sake of Sologenic's success. Why does Sologenic need Corium? The XRP ledger does not support all the features Sologenic will need to reach its full potential, such as smart contracts. Sologenic's roadmap involves smart contracts, on-chain token issuance functionalities, and cross-chain compatibility. So this is enhancing Sologenic rather than competing with it, guys. And this is it. This is one of this is also another piece relation of Sologenic to Corium. Can someone please explain to me the difference of the Solodex and Corium? Solo is a dApp, Corium is a blockchain. Solo will hopefully enable trading of stocks with crypto on a decentralized exchange. Trading license will determine how decentralized it might be. Corium is a blockchain that enables dApps to be created on it, and it has smart contract functionality. These smart contracts will increase functions on Solo, like selling or buying at a predetermined price within a predetermined time frame. Any dApp could possibly run on Corium, and the possibilities of dApps is probably infinite. Sologenic versus Corium. It is not versus basically they're basically co-opting with each other. They're cooperating with each other, enhancing and optimizing one another, along with XRPL as well, as Sologenic is built on XRPL as well as Corium to use the smart contract functionality. FUD and Sologenic Corium. So there was another piece here. Question on FUD about Solo leaving XRP. I know Solo is staying on XRPL, but why make Corium then? Surely to make use of Corium, they will no longer be implementing some of the things with Solo on XRPL. Those things they can do with Solo on XRPL, they will do with Corium, which is less utility for Solo than initially promised. That's how I understand it. Solo will have utility on XRPL and more utility on Corium. XRPL and Corium will interact with each other. Think of a big frozen lake that is the shape of the number 8. One half of the 8 is XRPL and the other half is Corium. Now imagine thousands of ice skaters skating around this lake. The ice skaters are Sologenic. Okay, so the core token is just a community token made just because they can. All the things that they planned on doing with Solo tokens will still happen with the Solo token. Core token will not take any of the planned jobs of Solo token. Corium blockchain will interact with XRPL blockchain via Solo token only and not core token. I think the core token's purpose is to incentivize people to create dApps and to help run the Corium blockchain. I think these dApps created will be to increase the use cases for Sologenic. I think a lot of the dApps need the ability to use use of smart contracts, which the Corium network provides. I remember reading somewhere about the Corium being able to interact with other blockchains and not just XRPL. If I did read this, perhaps Solo can journey to other places and the other places can journey onto Corium and Solo. I don't know if Corium will take anything away from Solo, as its core purpose is to add value and use to Solo. Sorry guys. Ongoing allergy. If you want a simpler explanation, I think the Corium blockchain is so interoperable because it's meant to be at the center of the crypto blockchain space. So guys, this was it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to share, like, and subscribe. And if you're interested in any of these other coins as well, then make sure to stay tuned and subscribe the channel for more for regular videos as well. And make sure to hit the notification bell as well for notifications, obviously. So guys, like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, folks.